Okay. So let's check both role are, you can say database rule are available or not. In user, let me try to check whatever like database role we added. So here you can see it's a membership. You can see both checks were, you can say checked. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Let me go with a so basically, all these are, it's a database role basically. I explained initially, we have server level role. These are server level role. Yeah.
Hmm.
If I can check here, you can see these are server role. So if you want to add any like a user login have a this permission, it means we don't want any user for this role. Okay. For server role, basically user is not mandatory. Okay. But
Yes.
if you want to add any database related role, you have to create a user and after that you have to add a permission. Let's suppose I have a one operator and I have to add only imply table access and you can say some sales table access. So what we can do? So let me explain to you. So I'm creating one login, okay? And those login, just like a salesperson, sales user, okay?
Hmm.
Dummy, I'm creating this. And I have to add only read, you can say select of two table only instead of all table, because when I added DB data reader, it means whatever tables are part of those, it's automatically he will get access. But now I'm saying I have to create one user, sales user, and those user can access only sales table and imply table. So what we can do? So let me go through. Okay, sales user I
Hmm.
created. Now you have to create a login user into this database because I want this sales user want to access this database only. So next step, you can create your user, create user, and this is your user ID. And for login, this, yeah. So this user is created, but I'm not going to add whole table reader access. Only I have to provide a specific table. So let me filter out those table details. So here is the imply table. I have to add access, read access to this table and another sales, you can say sales table are there. Production have some sales. Okay, let me filter out here. Do we have any sales table or sales schema basically? Okay, so you can see here is a sales order. I'm going to add. So we have a two table and we have to add like a read permission to this and insert permission to salesperson. Okay, this is the expectation. I need read access to on below tables and insert
Right. Hmm.
access. Okay, edit write access basically. Okay, so
Hmm.
how we can proceed? So basically in a Oracle, one grant permission is there, grant and revoke basically. So when we have
Yes.
to add a access, we have to go and grant. And so in a two cases there, grant we have to go to and revoke from basically. Only this keyword you have to memorize in your mind while adding access. So let me go through
Okay.
grant. And what access you want to add? Basically, you want to add s- read means select. Okay, read means you
Yes.
can say select.
Hmm.
So I have to copy select, grant select on this table
Yes.
to which user? Whatever user I created, sales user. Okay, you have to select this. This is done. Same thing I'm going to sales order. It's a sales order done, imply basically. Okay, I added this. Next step, same thing. I have to add a write permission. So here instead of write, you can go insert. Yeah. So insert,
Yes.
you have to replace, and this is to specific to this table. You have to copy and go with this. Okay. So now you can check,
Hmm.
try to connect with a sales user and try to check what access you got. Okay. So let me try to check first database, I think. And you can see only three tables are showing for you. And if you can check here, you will get up so many tables are part of this table and database. Let me remove this filter and you can see so many tables are there. Yeah. And
Yes.
for your use, I assign only, you can see three table permission and you can check whatever you did permission, you'll get to know. So basically here I'm going to select, this is working fine. Okay. Let me try to
Hmm.
go with the last table and we can check what access we have. You know, I didn't added read permission to this table. Only write permission we added. Yeah. So you
Yes.
can start writing those if you need. This DDL permission is not there. So you can't do anything. It's a read only for you. So if you can edit, that should work because I added insert permission basically. So instead of, you can say, oh, let me clarify. If you want to insert, you can directly go with a insert. You will get a table column detail here. So you can't view because when I'm going to edit, it means first we are viewing a data and we don't have view
Hmm.
permission. You know already.
Yes.
So this is a problem. Yeah.
Okay.
So I think we can wind for today. Maybe tomorrow, what I can do, I will add into the same group and you will get an invitation. So your timing
Okay,
is a
sir.
9:30 for tomorrow. Yeah.
Yes.
Any query till now?
No, sir.
If you have any
Sir,
query, you can ask. Yeah. Yeah. Tell
yes,
me.
are you providing notes regarding this class?
If you want, I can provide, but each and everything we are covering into the practical demo. And if anything required, you can ask specifics to those topic. I will explain to you. I will share note to you. Because
Uh,
mainly what we are doing, we are placing all the people. Okay. This is a main
mm,
criteria. Just like a tuition class, we are not providing. And whatever topic
okay,
required, whatever actual work required for the DVA, we are providing those information. Then after completion of this course, you will be working minimum to minimum 5 to 7 years experience as a DBA
okay,
if you're covering those parts.
okay,
But if anything is specific, okay, we are providing a note for you can say whatever interview question are there. So let me show you
okay,
because one group is you can say running. Okay, let me check. So basically, I will add here. So I think I provided one note. So interview related, each and everything we are providing here. Whatever error they are facing, we are explaining to those. Let me check for this. And you can see these are log shipping related question I provided to him. Performance tuning I already provided to him. Basically, what happened? Firstly, I explained to this all the question, and after that,
Mm-hmm.
I share this question directly to them. And you can see
Okay.
these are questions related to log shipping. Yeah.
Mm.
So only these part we are
Okay.
covering for the interview perspective, nothing else. But if you want any additional like a note, and you can see all item are available into the, you can say online. You can find from any
Yes.
location. It's not a problem. And
Yes.
each and everything we are like implementing over the screen. We are not like if any error comes, we are recording those part and we will able to understand.
Okay.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Okay.